Hello everyone, welcome to the gig. And in this gig, I am providing project planning services through Primavera 6 to construction companies, to IT companies, to business owners, and everyone who require an expert Primavera service. So I am Mohammad Arif, a seasoned professional planning engineer who has been working for around 15 years in the construction sector. I have experience of oil and gas, steel plant, solar projects, and currently I am working on a electrical project that's of around $7 million, and it's a 3,000 activity project in which we have planned all the WBSs in detail, all the key milestone WBSs, the design phases, the procurement phases, the construction phase, the testing and the commissioning. If I walk you through the activities, you can see the detailed activity sequencing. It's starting from the notice to proceed, which we all know is the permission by the customer to the EPC company to start the works. And then we have the site mobilization, the approvals, and all the activities. After the activities are completed, we have the energization of this transmission line. So it's a 30-kilometer transmission line that we are going to build in Pakistan, in Sindh, and we have planned in detail all the design submittals that we are going to submit. On the right hand side, you can see the Gantt chart, which is depicting all the activities. Here are the durations, the plan start and plan finish dates. And with that, we have done an in-depth planning of the procurement phase, especially, which I have divided into local purchase and foreign purchase. So locally, we are going to purchase towers and gantry material, paint, conductors, and the foreign material that we are going to procure are the earthing materials and all the stuff. Then we have the construction phase. You can see the activities like excavation, the formwork, all the civil works, and then if I scroll down, we have the testing and commission. So, why should you hire me? So, with this rich experience, I bring on table a mastery of Primavera P6 that you require for your business in order for me to create a detailed plan. Okay, so I'll be keeping in mind all the risk forecast and all the details and aligning and then producing a great project plan for your organization or for you. So let's connect and see how can I help you. Thank you.